We're gonna test to see if my repairs have worked for my little Avata 2. I've 3D printed new guards here. There actually was 2 layers of plastic. I actually didn't like the way it flew. So this is the first test after cutting those off. But you can see I've got electrical tape. We got zip ties. So everything's pretty secure here. This prop was the one that broke. You can see here. There's a gap. But this is now reinforcing that. So we should be good. Let's give it a try. Battery. Power. I'm gonna go set it up. Ready for launch. We're gonna send it. All right, my goggles are cold, so they're probably gonna fog up real bad. There is a fan in here. There's little vents, and there's a fan that I can actually manually turn on to try to get rid of the fog. So we'll see how that works. Actually, I'll just tell you how it works because I won't be able to show you. Controller. Power. Let's turn on the fan. You might be able to hear it. Goggles defog. Hear it? Oh, it's working. Oh yeah, nice. We will shoot in 4K 100 because I don't think anything's gonna be cinematic today. It's too cloudy. We got rock steady, D-Log M, shooting an automatic, wide, FOV, record. Antennas, we're good. Here we go. Motor starting. Here we go. But I've flown here once before. It's like an old Native American school. I've got another video that I'll link down below of the exploration of the school, and I kind of flew around. So right now though, we're just gonna see how this thing flies since I crashed it pretty hard. And I know I 3D printed the guard and I didn't like it with the extra plastic on there. All right, let's give this a go. Hold on, I don't like where this is at to turn it into manual. Let's get it over here. I gotta be more careful. My confidence is pretty shot as well. All the crashing I've been doing. All right, we're in manual. It definitely, it feels heavier. Like I don't have the, I'm not climbing as fast. It could be the wind. Yeah, it definitely performs different. I'm wondering if I like melted the plastic a little bit to round some of the square edges, because the 3D print, it's got kind of square edges along the top and bottom, along the perimeter of the drone, and normally the drone has very rounded plastic. So oh, I am in, okay, I was at 50, like 52 degrees. Let's try like lowering the camera angle a little bit. hit something. Let's circle around. Let's see. Was there like a loose branch? Yeah. Okay. I nicked a low-hanging branch. Seems to be flying fine, so I don't think I broke a prop. Let's see how it does like a flip. It works. Definitely getting some interference. It's probably being in my van. It's just from my van. It's got to go through glass and metal and all that. It got a little choppy there. Choppy. I'm not that far away. I'm only 300 feet. I am going through these trees as well. Oh yeah, it seems to be performing pretty well as I crash it. I will turtle this one if it gives me the option. Motor stopped. All right, turtling. Okay. Let's try taking off here. Okay. Am I okay? Let's bring it back to the van. Take a look. Let's flip it in sport mode. Says I have a broken prop, but let's see. It's a little dirty, it looks like. Just got a little dirty. Alright, I think that about wraps it up. So we know it still flies, which is good. I will eventually send it in for care refresh, but for the time being, I think I'm just gonna roll with it all banged up. Basically has crutches. It's in rough shape. I'm not gonna put it in my bag like this. It's too dirty. But I'll get it cleaned up. Thank you to my recent subscribers. Really means a lot. I do want to do more videos like this. My goal is actually to capture really good cinematic footage. I'll be doing flights. I kind of like the format of just, 8 to 12 minute videos of just cruising and flying with no cuts. But then on my channel, I'll also have cinematic cuts of, you know, the really good footage that I capture. Right now I'm on this Avata, but this is a hobby of mine that I've recently gotten into. So I'm still practicing getting my flight skills up, my piloting skills up, and yeah, I will build a drone here at some point. Right now I'm still paying off the Avata, so I really don't want to you know, pour more money into this yet. But the future, the plan is to fly more, and fly safe is the goal. And hopefully along the way we capture some cool footage. Anyways, thanks for clicking on the video. If you like this content, there's more down below. Thanks for liking and subscribing. It really means a lot. All right, have a good day.